Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready, signed into the Google account, and using the device with Smart Lock active. First, open Settings on Android and tap Google, then Smart Lock. On desktop, open Chrome and go to Passwords. You do this because Smart Lock is account level and toggles live there. Once you've opened the correct panel, locate the Smart Lock sections for passwords and Android device unlocking. Make sure you stay signed in while changing these options so settings sync correctly. Now disable each Smart Lock feature. In Chrome, switch off Offer to save passwords and auto sign-in so Chrome stops capturing credentials. Back in your Google account Smart Lock section, turn off Smart Lock for passwords so saved credentials won't autofill across devices. On Android, open Security Smart Lock and turn off Trusted Devices, Trusted Places, and on-body detection if present. You're doing this to sever automatic sign-in. Finish by removing stored passwords you no longer want in Google Passwords. Open Passwords. Google, Com, and delete entries. Then sign out of the Google account on the device and sign back in, or restart the device to ensure toggles apply. Test by visiting a site where you previously auto-signed in. You should be prompted to enter credentials manually. If Smart Lock settings persist, clear Chrome cache, revoke account access for the device, or remove and re-add the Google account as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.